So good morning everyone once again. Good morning Kanishka, Kritika, everyone. So the concept after exercise 6.3 is two special triangles, equilateral and isosceles. Although we already know about them, still let us see them one more time. So we have two special triangles. First one is isosceles. Isosceles triangle, and second is equilateral triangle. Sir, exam is of 80 marks or 100 marks? So no idea. You just keep practicing up. We will see. I guess it will be of 80 marks only. Now, class, what do you mean by isosceles triangle? Please answer. A triangle in which? Please answer. A triangle in which two sides are equal. Very good. So triangle in which two sides are equal is known as isosceles triangle. One more property is there. In these triangles, one more property is there. First of all, we use a dash like this. This dash shows that these two are equal. The property is angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So this angle B, which is opposite to AC, and this angle C, which is opposite to AB, are also equal. Angles opposite to equal side are equal. These are the two properties that we have of isosceles triangle. Okay. Now let us see what is a equilateral triangle. We all have studied this already. It is a triangle in which all the sides are equal. A, B, C. So in this case we had AB equal to AC, and in this case we have three sides equal. That means AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. So dash, dash and dash. Okay. Apart from this, what can we say? The three angles are also equal. Three angles are also equal. And they all are how much? They all are 60 degree. The test on Friday will be of MCQ only. You are correct. So in a triangle which is equilateral, all the angles are 60 degree. Okay. This was the concept. That's it. Now let's start the next concept that I have started yesterday also. Sum of length of two sides of a triangle. We have to see which triangles are possible, which triangles are not possible. Okay. So next concept, sum of two sides of a triangle. The same concepts, lines and angles, triangles, these chapter will come in class 9th also. Class, the same concept will come in class 9th also. So please try to understand these concepts here only in a better way. So we have studied yesterday in a triangle, first condition, sum of two sides is always, class please answer, is always what? Please say, always what? Sum of two sides is always greater than the third side. Very good, Bani. Greater than the third side. This is a condition of triangles. And second condition is difference of difference of two sides is always, class please answer, please answer, difference of two sides is always less than third side. Very good. These are the two conditions that three sides must follow. If you have three lengths and they are following these properties, they can form a triangle. Okay, so we can say if we have three line segments, they should follow above two properties so as to form a triangle. So class, but I have already seen question. I have seen the waiting room. Now, class, so if you have three line segments, they have to follow these two conditions, then only they can form a triangle. If they are not following these conditions, they are not forming a triangle. Yes, beta Parth, correct. Let's see an example now. Mokshita. But in the waiting room, we have only Mervin. She is not there. Let us see example number 3. Let us see example number 3. But Mervin is inside only. Is there a triangle whose sides have length 10.2, 5.8 and 4.5? We have to check if lengths are 10.2 centimeter, 5.8 centimeter and 4.5 centimeter. Is this triangle possible? Please answer, class. Is this triangle possible? Why no, sir? Let's check. We all know we have to check one by one. So let's start. First, I am taking these two. Let me call it first side, second side and third side. So 10.2 plus 5.8. Class, what is the answer? 10.2 plus 5.8. What is the answer? Please help me. I am a little weak in addition. Thank you. It is 16. And we can observe it is more than third side, which is 4.5. So it is correct. We have to check for three cases if it is correct. Second case, let us take second and third side, 5.8 plus 4.5. What is the answer? Class, please tell me what is the answer of second plus third side? 10.3, and also it is more than 10.2. So it is correct. It is following the condition. And the third property, first and third, that is 10.2 plus 4.5. Tell me what is the answer? 14.7. Okay, thank you. This is also more than 5.8. So we have checked these three conditions. We can say therefore they can form a triangle. That's it. Class, is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? We can say the triangle is possible. Now we will try example number 4. We will try example number 4. Okay, Lavya is saying second property is left. Lavya, let me tell you one thing. Either you can try with the first property complete, or you can try with the second property complete. It's okay. If I have done with first property only, it is okay. Main thing is I have to check all the cases. Okay. Mokshita, because you can watch it again on the channel, or I will explain a question from exercise, then you can understand. Okay. Lavya, acha, please show second property. Okay, suppose you want to check by second property, let us see by that also. So I'm rubbing this first one. Still you have to check with either of the one. Either you check with first property or you check with second property. Second property says difference of two sides should be more than, should be less than third side. Difference of two sides. Yes, beta. If you are taking first property, find all the cases. If you are taking second property, find all the cases. Okay. If they are correct, if they are wrong, you can stop at that point. Okay. Now, let us find the difference of first and second side. You can see 10.2 centimeter minus 5.8 centimeter. Class, please answer. Yes, beta, it is also valid. Ekta, if you have checked with one property, if that is correct, that means other property is automatically valid. Now the difference is 4.6. No, beta, it is 4.2. Let us check. Beta, you are not able to difference. Do it properly. If you carry, it becomes 12. 12 minus 8 is 4, and 9 minus 5 is 4. What are you doing, beta? 4.2, 4.6. Jitesh, beta, be careful next time. So we have Dilpreet, how you got 5.4? So 4.4, and you can observe it is less than third side, which is 4.5 centimeter. So first is okay. Now let's check with the second and third. 5.8 centimeter minus 4.5 centimeter. What is the answer? You are saying 1.3. Very good. So 1.3 is less than 10.2. Again correct. Third property, class, if I write like this, it is wrong. This is wrong. Why wrong? Can you answer? Because property is saying difference. In difference, we have to make sure that the larger number comes first. In subtraction, you can take any order. In difference, it is important that you take the larger number first. That means the third condition is 10.2 centimeter minus 4.5. Tell me the answer. 10.2 minus 4.5. Please tell me the answer. It is 5.7. I am trusting you. I am not checking it. Okay. And it is less than 5.8 centimeter, and we are done. We have checked the second property 3 cases, and it is all following. So we can say this triangle is class possible. Yes. Now let's take the next example. Example number 4. Example number 4. Sir, I didn't get it. I am confused. How to do subtraction? Oh my God. Let's see, Dilpreet. Suppose you have to do subtraction 4.8 minus, where is it? Yes, this was a question. No? We are trying to understand difference and subtraction. In subtraction, sir, atomic number, atomic weight, symbol, element, state. Beta, atomic number क्या करना है आपको? Okay, please see. Difference means you have to do the subtraction only, but the larger number should come first. In difference, the condition is larger should come first. And in subtraction, whatever the question is, you have to follow. Okay, I hope you are able to understand. In difference, larger number should come first, and in subtraction, whatever given to you, you have to solve like that only. Okay, so you can see 10 point, sorry, let me take this one. 10.2 minus 5.8. I have taken 1 from here, it becomes 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. We have a decimal. It was 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. So this way we have done the subtraction. I hope, Dilpreet, it is clear to you now. Okay. Now, example number 4. The lengths of two sides. Yes, Ashmit, they are not same. Ashmit, subtraction and difference are not same. In difference, there is a condition that it should always be positive. In difference, the larger number should come always at the first place. Okay. Now, example number 4. The length of two sides of triangle are 6 and 8. Lengths of a triangle are given to you as 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Between which two numbers the third side will fall? What is the range of third side? Class, we have to guess what is the range of third exercise. Himanshi, I have removed 9.1. Class, try to understand. In this question, they have given you two sides. They are saying it is 6 centimeter and this is 8 centimeter. This third side is missing. They are asking what can be the minimum value of this side and what can be the maximum value of this side. Class, we have to understand what can be the minimum value and what can be the maximum value. We all know the conditions. We know that sum of two sides should be more than third side. So let us use the property. The two sides sum are 6 plus 8, which is 14. It should be more than third side. So class, can I say my third side is possible as 15 centimeter? Can I say my third side it is 15 centimeter? Can I take third side as 15 centimeter? No. Can I take third size as 14 centimeter? Can I take third size as 14 centimeter? Class, please answer. It is a no because it should be more than third side. That means third side should be less than 14. So we have got this third side should be less than 14. We have got this. Now tell me, we all know that difference of two sides should be less than third side. Now difference means 8 minus 6. So difference is 8 minus 6 equal to 2. So the third side should be less than 2. The third side should be less than 2. That means, sorry, difference of two sides should be less than third side. So our third side should be more than 2. Sorry. Class, sir, book language is confusing. Voice is low. Okay, now is it coming, beta? Please check. Now is it coming? Please check now. Now it is okay. See again. We want to find the range of third side. We want to find the range of third side. What we have done, we know the condition. Sum of two sides should be more than third side. And we have found it is 14. So we have got that the third side should be less than 14. Class, we have got that the third side should be less than 14 centimeter. And second thing, we know difference of two sides should be less than third side, which is 2. So our third side should be more than 2 centimeter. So we have got the range. It is lying between 2 centimeter and 14 centimeter. It can be 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. It can be 13.9, 13.8, 13.7 and so on. Class,
Are you able to understand this? Please tell, are you able to understand this? Yes, sir, it is same. If it is same, not possible. If it is same, then also triangle not possible. If it is same, triangle not possible. Okay? Yes, beta Kavish, after this we will see PGT. Explain one more time, sir. Hardik Arora. Okay. See, Hardik. Now see, it will be easy for you. This is 6 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter. They want you to find the range of this AC. You have to check AC is less than what and AC is more than what. We want to find the range of AC. What are the possible values that AC can have? We try to find what are the possible values that AC can have. For that, we have two conditions. The first condition is, oh my God, Kritika, median and altitude are not same. Only in the case of isosceles triangle, they are same. Only in the case of equilateral triangle, they are same. Else, they are different. Now see, we want to find the range of this third side. We know that sum of two sides should be more than third side. Let us find the sum of two sides. We have 6 centimeter plus 8 centimeter equal to 14 centimeter equal to third side. So if you observe this thing, can we say that the third side should be less than 14 centimeter? Class, can we say the third side should be less than 14 centimeter from here? Why no, Ekta? Why no? You can see the inequality. It is saying third side is less than 14 centimeter. So we have got that AC is less than 14 centimeter. Similarly, we can check the next condition, difference of two sides should be less than third side. Now put the value 8 centimeter minus 6 centimeter equal to 2 centimeter. This value should be less than third side. Now can we say our third side is more than 2 centimeter? Class, can we say the third side is more than 2 centimeter? So we can say it is more than 2 centimeter. Class, in this question, we cannot find the exact length. We cannot find the exact length. We can only find a range. We can only find a possible range. And the range is, it should be more than 2 centimeter and less than 14 centimeter. So if I say AC is 2.1, this triangle is possible. If I say AC is 2.2, triangle is possible. If I say AC is 2.7, triangle is possible. If I say AC is 15, class, tell me, if I say AC is 15, is it possible? If I say AC is 15, is it possible? No. If I say AC is 1, is it possible? If I say AC is 1, is it possible? No. That means what I have done is I have found a range. I have found a range between which we can have any value for AC. If I say AC is 5.8, is it possible? If I say AC is 5.8, is it possible? Please answer. Yes, it is possible because 5.8 is lying between these two range. If I say AC is 9.1, if I say AC is 9.1, is it possible? Yes, it is possible. So I guess you have understood. We cannot find the third side exactly, but we can find a range between which it will lie. Okay, clear. Now let us take an example, sorry, question from exercise 6.4. Exercise 6.4, question number 1. We have to check, is it possible to have a triangle with following sides? Let us take second part. 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Class, please tell me. Yes, beta Daksh Bharadwaj, you are correct. Class, tell me, is this triangle possible? Please check. Is it possible? Let us check. We can see 3 plus 6 is equal to 9, which is more than 7. First case is okay. 6 plus 7 is 13, which is more than 3, correct? And 3 plus 7 equal to 10, which is more than 6. So correct. This triangle is possible. Now let's take the third part. Triangle is possible because sum of two sides is always greater than third side. Please check the third part, class. 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Please check. Is it possible? Very good, Ashmit. Very good. Class, please check fast. Kavish, check one more time. Let us see. We have got 6 plus 3 equal to 9, which is more than 2. So it is correct. But we cannot say right now. We have to check all the properties for correctness. If you check 3 plus 2, that is 5, which is not more than 6. So this is wrong. And hence triangle is not possible. I hope it is clear to everyone. I hope it is clear to everyone. Let us take first part also. We have 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter. If you take first two sides, class, can we say triangle is possible? First case, can we say triangle is possible? No possible, because it is 5. It is not more than 5. It is equal to 5. It is not more than 5. Therefore, triangle is not possible. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now, I'm giving you the next hint of the question. You will do on your own. In the next question, a figure is given to you like this. You just have to join the point with O, like this. You will get 3 triangles and then you can check all these parts. Okay. With this, I finish today's class and stopping the recording now.